Digestion takes a hit from stress, processed foods, and how we eat our meals. Hey, this is C. In today's video, I'm sharing a few powerful herbs that can help support digestion. Plus, we'll talk about why digestion becomes a problem in the first place and some simple things that you can do starting today. Let's get to it. Let's talk about some herbs that can help. One of my favorites is ginger. I know it's spicy. Just start small if you can. So it's a warming herb that improves circulation and stimulates stomach acid plus bile. Next is fennel seed. It soothes gas and bloating, especially after heavy meals. It's great as a tea, or you can chew a few seeds after eating. You want to also look at chamomile because it calms the gut and the nervous system. It's perfect if stress is impacting your digestion, or you could try lemon balm if you have an allergy to chamomile. Not shown on here is dandelion root. It's gentle, bitter. It supports the liver, stimulating the bile and promoting regularity. Now, these herbs are powerful helpers that work best when paired with mindful eating and daily habits, even if they are small. So small changes are better than no changes at all, and especially small, consistent changes. So how can we start shifting digestion? Well, I'm sure we all have heard it. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly. Too many times we're rushing, and I know sometimes we have those 30-minute lunch breaks, which to me was no point of me eating. I brought smoothies to work, or I just allowed that to be my fasting period. But I do understand that everybody's situation is different. But the thing that we want to try and do is to definitely eat slowly and chew thoroughly. Just think about our eating. Depending on what you're eating, you can get fuller off eating less if you choose foods that are fiber rich and protein rich. And that way you have enough time to eat it. Because a lot of times we think of a big meal, I'm going to get full. But it's more about, is my meal protein rich or fiber rich? Another thing that we could try is a warm herbal tea before or after meals. I know people that have a lot of heat in their body due to inflammation. If that is your case, possible herbs in this situation would be fennel, lemon balm, licorice root, slippery elm, marshmallow root, and there are more, but these might be good for those with acid reflux, heartburn, or inflammatory digestive issues. Now, I also know people who have a lot of sluggishness, so they may need those warming herbs. So possible herbs in this situation are your ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. You could add bitters or apple cider vinegar before eating. Another thing that I like to practice from time to time is creating calm before meals. So no multitasking and trying to conquer the world, but maybe just even 5 minutes before eating at home, just possibly put on some music that helps relax the family, yourself, whatever you need to just get some calm down. Because if we go into that meal like hard charging, because we're trying to do laundry, cook, and do all these other things at once, we're not going to be able to take our time with eating, and we're probably not going to enjoy the meal as much. So even just one of these shifts can help our body begin to digest and absorb and even eliminate more smoothly. It's really about listening to our body and supporting it with what works. Our current society doesn't really promote this, so we're going to have to learn to do little things to help slow down and to use the time we have more effectively and efficiently. So let me know in the comments, have you tried any of these herbs and how they've worked for you? And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want weekly videos to support your gut, blood sugar, hormones, and more. All right, y'all, take care.